In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and track bills in QuickBooks Online using Chrome. Let's start by opening Google Chrome and signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Using Chrome helps ensure the best performance and compatibility. Once you're in, double check that you're in the correct company file, then head to the left menu, click Expenses, and then choose Bills. This is your central hub for vendor bills where you can see what's outstanding, what's due soon, and what's already taken care of. To record a new vendor invoice, click New Bill. This opens a clean form where you'll capture the key details from the invoice you received. In the vendor field, select the vendor from your list. If the vendor isn't there yet, you can add them quickly right from this field so everything stays organized. Next, enter the bill date exactly as it appears on the vendor's invoice. This date helps QuickBooks apply the correct accounting period. Then enter the due date. If your vendor has payment terms, the due date should reflect those terms. This will drive reminders and help you prioritize cash flow. Now enter the amounts. Type in the total, and if the bill has more than one type of expense, split it across multiple lines so your reporting is accurate. For example, you might put office supplies on one line and shipping on another. In the category column, choose the expense accounts that best represent what you purchased. Accurate categorization gives you cleaner profit and loss reports and makes tax time easier. If your company tracks tax on purchases, make sure the tax settings on the bill match the invoice. If you have a digital copy of the invoice, attach it. You can drag and drop a PDF or image into the attachment area. Keeping the source document with the bill makes it simple to reference later and supports a paperless workflow. Clear file names and legible scans help a lot when you're reviewing history. When everything looks right, click Save. Your bill is now recorded and will appear on the bills page. From here, you can sort by due date to see what needs attention first, filter by vendor, or open any bill to review details and add notes or attachments. This page is where you'll track bills as they move toward payment, helping you avoid late fees and maintain good vendor relationships. When you're ready to pay, you'll come back to this area to process payments and update the status. That's it. Log in with Chrome, navigate to expenses and bills, create a new bill, enter the vendor, dates and amounts, categorize carefully, attach receipts, save, and monitor your bills so you're always on top of what's due.